This video shows you how to get the Big Y test. The first thing that you have to do is sign in to your account on Family Tree DNA, and this reddish orange button up here with the title Add-ons and Upgrades, click on that and it'll take you to this page here where you can order a variety of different tests. If you scroll down, you'll see the Big Y700 at the very end. You simply click on Add to Cart and that test has now been added to your shopping cart. You can view your shopping cart by clicking on the blue button here that says View Cart, or on the shopping cart icon up here. And that takes you to your shopping cart page. And there you see that the Big Y700 test has been added and various discounts have been applied to the total cost. Now the usual discounts are $110 if you've done the Y37 test and $210 if you've done the Y111 test, so the total cost of the test can come down to just over $200, and additional discounts can be applied during the various sales that Family Tree DNA run throughout the year. Now there is no need to retest because they will use the sample that you've already sent in. The results will usually be available in 6 to 10 weeks, and you will be notified by email when they are back from the lab. Now the project administrators of any projects that you have joined will help you interpret the results, and the results will place you on a very specific branch of the tree of mankind. And when you then sign in to your account once the results are back, you will see that a new badge has been added to your home page that tells you the name of the branch on which you now sit. And if you click on the badge, or if you click on the Discover Haplogroup Reports tab, this will take you to this page here, which has a huge amount of information about your particular branch of the tree of mankind. There are various tabs on the left hand side that you can use to explore this particular branch. One of my favorites is the time tree, and if you click on that, it shows you a family tree, a genetic family tree, with you sitting where the red icon is. And if you hover over the red icon, you will see an approximate date for when the common ancestor for that branch passed on that DNA marker to you and all the other people sitting on that branch. And in this case it's around about 683 AD, but there's quite a wide range around that estimate of maybe 200 years or so on either side. So you do have to be a little bit cautious with these dates. They're only estimates, they're only approximations. And if you hover over any of these icons on this page, it'll give you an approximate age for the common ancestor for that branch. And this is very exciting because it can help you with your own genealogical research, which probably, if you're Irish, goes back to about 1800 or so, and this will take you back before 1800 with DNA markers instead of named ancestors. But once we get to about 1200 or so, that's when we hit the medieval genealogies. And potentially, by doing the Big Y test, your results will be able to connect you with the medieval genealogies that go back over 1,000 years, back to the start of the written record in Ireland, about the 6th century or so, and back to clan history. So it can connect your specific direct male line to an Irish clan that existed over 1,000 years ago. And that is very exciting, and that is why we recommend people to do the Big Y test.